Hello children, welcome to grade 4 social science. Today we are going to see black 1 Sangam age. From that we are going to see lp1 Sangam literature and history. Children, have you heard of Sangam age? Why is it important in Tamil Nadu? The Sangam age was around 2000 years ago in the area around Tamil Nadu. Today we will see what Sangam poems can tell us about that time. Children, let's read the poem from the cover page of the chapter on Sangam age from the exit content book and look for the following things in the poem. Occupation of the people, mode of transport they used, kinds of trees, geographical figure and food. Yes children, let's start to read the poem. Listen carefully to the poem children. After completing this, I will ask some questions from this poem. Yes children, let us start. The farmers who harvest rice in the hot sun now jump into the waves of the clear sea. The sailors, captains of big ships, drink and dance with happiness as they hold the hands of women wearing bright bangles and garlands of flowers. In the cool forest, where the bees look for flowers, women wear bright bangles and garlands and drink the juice of the palm tree and the sugar cane and the juice of the coconut which grows in the sand. Then they run and jump into the sea. Children, have you all understood this poem? Then answer for my question, children. What does the poem tells us about the land, plants and trees? The poem tells us about an area near the sea. It talks about palm tree, sugar cane, coconut tree and flowers for garlands. Yes children, next. What does the poem tells us about some kinds of work people did? It tells us about people who were farmers and sailors. What else does it tells us about life in that time? It also tells us that people built and sailed in ships. Yes children? Children, tell me, what are the things we can be fairly sure of about the Sangam age from this poem? And what are some things we cannot be sure of using this poem? The poem tells us about the land and trees as well as some work and food of the time. One example of something we cannot tell from this poem is what the ship looked like. Children, do you think what are some things that ships and boats could have been used for? Ships and boats could have been used for travel, carrying things from one place to another, trade and fishing. Yes, children, I hope you all understood. Thank you.